Hi, my name is Melanie Jackson, and I want to be a certified Google trainer. I've been working in the field of education for 19 years, and currently I'm an assistant principal at Winborn Elementary School. With the recent worldwide coronavirus pandemic, there has been an obvious threat to education. We quickly realized that our teachers need training, our students need training, and our parents need training. Being able to connect with students and provide online collaborative learning is a necessity. Well, here's where I come in. Having done some initial initiative trainings with small groups of teachers in efforts to show them some of the basics within G Suite for Education, I eagerly assumed the role of helping to make our school a Google-driven school. I am pushing for Google certified educators, Google fluent students, and Google fluent parents. In the words of Bob Ross, we have no limits to our world. We're only limited by our imagination. For the demonstration in this video, I would like to use a quiz and take a Google Doc to turn it into a form. Here I'm going to use the add-ons button to turn a doc to a form. Okay, and here we have our box that gives us instructions and directions on how and where to place everything. So here I'm going to highlight the question, Control Copy, Control C for copying it, and then Control V for pasting it in the text box. And this is going to be a multiple choice question, so I select multiple choice there, copy my questions, my answers, and put them in the correct box here. They must be separated using a semicolon. So I place a semicolon after every response. And then I'm going to add one more question for the purpose of the demonstration. And just to show that we have different question types, I'm going to make this one paragraph. All right, so once I'm done, I'm going to select Create Form. And it's doing its magic, creating the form. And now it's ready for view. So once I hit my view button, I'm able to fix anything that didn't turn out just so, make any adjustments that I need to make. I want this to be required, where the students have to respond in order to complete the assessment. I'm going to go to my settings and turn it into a quiz. Save that. And when I do that, I'm able to assign a point value to each question, making that one 1 point. And since this is kind of like a short answer, I'm going to make that one 2 points. Once we're done there, I'm ready to send it to my students so I can copy a link and post it in my Google Classroom or whatever avenue I'd like to use to give the students access to the form. So again, with our goals in mind, I want to thank you for taking the time out to listen to me as I present it to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at mcoleman@ebrschools.org. Thank you.